What if I told you that your presentation software can also record your screen? PowerPoint isn't just for creating slides. It has a built-in screen recorder that's free, easy to use, and incredibly effective. Let's dive into this tutorial. To begin, launch your PowerPoint application on your computer. When PowerPoint opens, you'll see various template options, but for this process, don't select any template. Simply create a blank presentation by clicking on the blank presentation option. Once you are on a single slide, look at the menu at the top of your screen and click on Insert. After clicking Insert, look at the media group on the right side of the ribbon and you will see a screen recording option. Click on that screen recording button to activate the recording feature. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will be minimized and your cursor will turn into a crosshair. This means you can now select any area of your screen that you need to record. Now, click and hold your mouse button, then drag to select the specific area of your screen you want to capture. For this demonstration, I will select the entire screen to capture everything that happens on my display. After selecting your recording area, click on the record button that appears at the top of the selected area. A countdown indicator will be prompted on your screen, giving you a few seconds to prepare. You can now start making any activities on your computer, and all those activities will be recorded in real time. Whether you're demonstrating software, creating tutorials, showing a workflow, or capturing anything else happening on your screen, PowerPoint will capture every movement, every click, and every action you perform during this recording session. When you want to stop recording, simply move your cursor to the top of the screen. The control box will appear, showing you the recording controls. From here, you will be able to pause the recording or stop the recording completely. To stop the recording, just click on the Stop button in the control box. Once you stop recording, the recorded video will automatically open on the slide of your PowerPoint presentation, and is now part of your presentation and can be played directly from this slide during your delivery. However, if you want to save this recorded video into your computer as a separate file, just right-click on the video and select Save Media as from the context menu. A dialog box will appear where you can select where you want to save it on your computer. Navigate to your preferred location, rename the file if you want to give it a more descriptive name, then click on Save. As you can see, our recorded video is now saved on the desktop, and I can edit it and use it wherever I want, whether that's for YouTube videos, training materials, presentations, or any other purpose. There you have it, a complete guide to using Microsoft PowerPoint as your screen recorder.